Hi, my name is Inessa. My presentation is about Russian railways and particularly about speed line Moscow-St. Petersburg. Russian Railways has a near monopoly on long-distance train travel, which is subsidiary federal passenger company, accounting for 90% of total passenger turnover in 2017. The total operation length of railway is 85,000 kilometers. The length of continuous welded rails 74,000 kilometers. The railway network operated by 16,000 switches, 138 tunnels and 30,000 of bridges. Every year it is transported around 1 million tons of goods and around 1 million of passengers. The length of lines equipped with automatic block A-B and centralized control in 62,000 kilometers. It's around 73% of the whole railway. Devices of railway automation and remote control on the Russian railway network served with 203 distance signaling centralization and blocking with one technical center of automation and remote control. The railroad between St. Petersburg and Moscow was started in operation in 1843. It was a double track, 1524 mm wide and 645 km long. Maximum speed was around 40 km per hour, and it took 22 hours to come from St. Petersburg to Moscow. Cargo train speed was around 16 km per hour. In 2005, Russian Railways was launched a program to introduce new high-speed trains. The first train launched Sepsan connects St. Petersburg, Moscow and Nizhny Novgorod, and is operated with trains manufactured by the German company Siemens. The second train, Allegra, was run from St. Petersburg to Helsinki, and now it is operated together with the Finnish VR Group. There are 32 direct express trains daily from Moscow to St. Petersburg. The fastest of them cover the distance only for 3 hours and 45 minutes. International trains to nearby countries such as Finland and Estonia use this line also. The line runs only an absolutely unavailable minimum of cargo trains, however, with only one track in each direction, with the exception of 45 km line, which has 3 tracks. Expresses are often delayed by slower local trains. Introduction of Sepsan service made massive changes in suburban trains timetables, with some trains now having long stops at passing loops. Development of high-speed traffic requires also the development of innovative diagnostic tools. The aim of the project Infotrans Velera Rus is the integration of measurement systems EMS produced by Infotrans in comparison of electric train Sepsan, creating diagnostic complex allowing during normal operation of electric trains measure the assessment of railway infrastructure parameters. Siemens trains for Russia were constructed on the standard platform Velara, but they have some special constructive features. For example, Russian trains safety system Club U was integrated for all the trains. Air intake is put on the roof, and trains also able to operate in the temperature under minus 50 degrees, and they are 30 centimeters wider because of a wider loading gauge in Russia. Maximum speed of the line is limited right now to 150 km per hour. Trains use regenerative brakes, but also helps to save energy. Sepsan was the most successful passenger train of Russian railways, with occupancy rate of 84.5% and profitability of 30%. During recent years, Russian railroads working on the projects of implementation of the new high-speed lines, which will allow to increase the train's operation speeds up to 400 km per hour.